Hi guys, today I'm going to discuss the Switch accounts feature on Discord Mobile. So let's get started. So here we are, and let's go and open our Discord app first. And as you can see right here, we are now in our Discord app, and you might have explored this app already before coming into this video, wondering if there is a Switch account button. But let me break it to you that there is no Switch account button right here on the Discord app now, as of now, or maybe there will be an update, we don't know yet. But one thing that you can do to switch an account right here is you have to manually log out right here by going here in pressing your profile picture button right here in the bottom right of your screen, and then scrolling down into account right here, and you want to tap on log out right here. Then after you have tapped that, then you would be logging in again to your different account, and that is the only way for you to switch an account right here in the Discord app. But if you will really want that feature that you can manage accounts right here, you have this option right here to switch accounts, is that you want to go into discord.com/channels right there, and you would be prompted right here into your Discord account. And as you can see, I am already right here. So if you're not yet logged in into your Discord right here in the web or in your browser, then you could just log in, and after that you could go here. So you might be prompted right here in the scenario right there, and what you want to do from here is that you want to go right here. Let's say you are prompted right here, so what you want to do from here is that tap on the three horizontal bars, and you will be prompted right here. And from here you want to tap on your profile picture with your name right there and tap on it, and you have the switch accounts feature right here. This is available only for the PC version and the web, if you didn't know. So you might want to tap on that, and as you can see all the accounts that you have here, manage accounts. But sadly, this is not available for the Discord app in your smartphone, may it be in Android or iOS. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.